Alright, these mixture questions, we just need to approach it from a dollar standpoint, and I think it'll help us make sense. So we have, we're going to mix peanuts at $1.45 a pound. So let's write out our facts here in a way that we can see them a little easier. $1.45 a pound, and then we have walnuts at $2.65 a pound. And our mixture will sell for $2.17 a pound. And we need 100 pounds of the mixture. So let's call the amount here for my amounts of actual nuts. Let's say this one is just X. Alright, however many pounds of peanuts, we'll call that X. But I know that however many walnuts I have needs to add up to 100. So what I'm going to do is use a little trick here where I'll say 100 minus X. This is similar to a previous problem we worked. So think of it this way: if I have 40 pounds of peanuts, then I have 100 minus 40, or 60 of walnuts. And no matter what value I choose for X, by setting walnuts at 100 minus X, those two will always add up to 100. Okay, so we know that if we take 1.45 times X, that'll be how many dollars of peanuts we had. All right, let's back up and think about this as I write that. So the total dollars would be 1.45x in this case. The total dollars of walnuts is 2.65 times 100 minus x, right? Taking my dollars per pound times my pounds, right? And maybe the better word instead of amount here is pounds. Now here's the part that I think some people maybe don't understand. The total mixture part is going to be 217 per pound. And then how many pounds of the total mixture will I have? So I'm taking dollars per pound times my pounds, because this whole expression here is in total dollars. So I'm going to have 100 pounds of the mixture. So I'm going to sell my final product for $2.17 a pound times 100 pounds means I'll have $217 worth of this mixture, right? So we're talking in total dollars here, although the problem never really invokes anything about total dollars, but it's the way to put all this information together. So I'm going to write now my total statement that my dollars of peanuts, 145x, plus my dollars worth of walnuts equals my dollars worth of my mixture. All right, so let's do some algebra here. So I need to distribute here 265 and then times negative x. 2.65 times the negative x gives us minus 2.65, and then this side is just 217. So now I can take and combine my like terms here. So let me get out my calculator. 1.45 minus 2.65 is negative 1.2x plus 265 from right here equals 217. Now I'll subtract 265 from both sides, and I'll come over here and write that I get negative 1.2x equals, and now I'll get my calculator back out, and I'll take 217 minus 265, and so I get negative 48. Now I divide both sides by negative 1.2, check my calculator one more time, divided by 1.2, and I need to make that negative 40. So x is 40. Now what does that mean? Remember, we established x as up here the pounds of peanuts. So that's 40. So that means then that my amount of walnuts must be 100 minus 40, or 60. And so we have 40 pounds of peanuts and 60 pounds of walnuts.